Hey guys, hey, it's me Brianna. So I've been working out more. Sometimes. Occasionally. I worked out. I purchased a bunch of workout equipment for my home gym and it is sitting in the corner of my room and it just looks so messy. It just looks ugly. It does. I'm going to show you guys how to make your own home gym storage.
Yes, queen!
Okay guys, I'm going to take my shelving unit and I'm going to measure out exactly where I want my foam roller as well as my yoga mat to be. All I'm doing is just measuring out to where I want it to sit. Once I have it measured out, I'm going to go ahead and drill my holes. Taking some outdoor plant brackets, I'm going to go ahead and screw those into the board. I'm not very good at measuring, so I like to go ahead and drill in both holes, then check to make sure that it sits exactly where I want it to sit and that my foam ball is not lopsided. And then I'm doing the same thing with the second row, going ahead and measuring it, and then I'm going to drill my holes in, and then I'm going to screw in the brackets. I like to find any reason possible to use my Cricut because I like my things customized. So I'm taking my Cricut and I'm adding my Mind, Body, and Soul decal to my storage. If you don't have a Cricut, no worries. I do sell a few decals on my website, queeniechic.com. And voila, we are done. Isn't this cute? I went ahead and added some door hanger hooks to the bottom to add my resistant bands too. But that's pretty much it. Super easy. And if you want to hang yours on the wall, I added 2 sawtooth hangers to the back, and it's pretty sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And no more super messy, unorganized, ugly gym equipment in the corner. This was such an easy project to do, and it looks 10 times better than all over my floor. What do you guys think? Up next is this crazy easy exercise ball storage. You guys, I needed this because my dogs are scared of my exercise ball and sometimes it gets to rolling out of nowhere and it scares me myself. So for this project, you need the same thing, boards and brackets. Just like the yoga mat holder, you'll want to measure out where you want your exercise ball to sit. Now I'm just marking out the measurements, and you guys, I also have the directions on my blog, briannaqueen.com. Then I'm just drilling in the holes and then screwing in the nails. Literally, that's easy. And then to hang on the wall and make sure it is super sturdy, I'm going in with some claw tooth hangers again, adding those to the back of my board. And this is the completed project. I now have a place to hang my yoga mat, my exercise roll, my resistant bands, and my exercise ball.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY home storage tutorial. Be sure to share this video with any of your friends who could benefit from this video. Be sure to thumbs up, subscribe, and like so you can always... Leo just like jumped on my lap. Hi, Leo. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.